Hi, I've got something neat to show you this time. Okay, so here is a sealed wallpaper border. It's from 1989 and it's from Borden Incorporated. It was made in the USA in Columbus, Ohio, and it's a fabric-backed, scrippable, scrubbable pattern wallpaper border. Now this one, as I mentioned, is sealed. So this one I'm going to show you is open. And it's so cute, okay? We've got Big Bird with a kite, followed by Bert on a tricycle, and then Ernie, we've got a kite, and then we've got Prairie and we've got Cookie Monster. Isn't this adorable? It is 15 foot long by 9 inches wide, and even though it is from 1989, it's still, the colors are bright, and everything about it seems excellent. I'm not so sure how well the adhesive on the back might still work, but there are other ways to attach a border to a wall. Anyway, wanted to share this with you, and I hope that you find it as cute as I do. Maybe you even had this in your own room as a child, or maybe a brother or sister. Perhaps you recognize it. So that's all.